It is 5:53 in the morning. All right, Monday. Let's make this money. It is 11:38, and I made a total of 117. I think that's what it was, 117 for the day. So I'm halfway in. I started really early, so I think I woke up at 5 and hit the road by 6. So 11:17 for the day. Let's keep making this money. It is 2:32, and I made a total of 170. Pretty good day today. So, all right, let's keep it going. All right, 170 for today. Let's keep making this money. It's 8:25 in the morning. I was really tired last night, but let's make this money. All right, it is 2:40. I've only made $95 with Lyft. It's been pretty slow. Again, not being able to all multi-app, then I have to stick to one app, so I have to sit on one rate. $95 for today, but let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. Let's keep making this money. 9:22 p.m. I made a total of 173. All right. Yeah, that's pretty bad for a Tuesday. It's Tuesday, but with Lyft, seems to be a little slow. Actually, really slow, really slow. See, if I would have had the Uber app, I would have been multi-apping all day today. When it's slow, it's one of the strategies. When it's slow, you multi-app. But for now, 173 for Tuesday. Let's see how much we make tomorrow. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. I don't want to wake up my neighbors. I can't sleep again. See, I woke up at 5. All right, this 16-8 diet. Love it. Let's see how much money we make today. All right, 11:44. I made a total of 122 with just Lyft. It is raining. See that? It's raining. And when it rains money. Let's keep it going. It's I've been out since 6 o'clock in the morning, so it is 11:40 something, whatever, what I just said. And let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. Let's keep making this money. 3:45 p.m. made a total of 344. Still got the rest of the day to go. All right, let's keep making this money. 9 p.m. and I made a total of 386 for a Wednesday. Nice. For a Wednesday, and I got off early, 9 p.m. Well, not really. I did wake up at 5, so I've been out on the road since 6. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow. 6:48 in the morning. Let's get the day started. Let's make this money. All right, 11:46. I only made $86, and I am on the side of the road because I got a flat tire. Fucking flat tire. God damn it. All right, I gotta get this fixed and then hit the road again. Let's keep making this money. It is 4:36. I still only made $86. All right, I fixed my tires. I put wider ones. So instead of 235s, I put 245s. I had to fix both of them. I mean, there was a big gash and a big giant piece of metal inside the car. But yeah, $86 for today. This really backed me up. All right, let me see when we get back to work, which is gonna be somewhere about 6. So let's try to keep making this money. Damn it. 5 a.m. Woke up at 4:30. Can't sleep. All right, let's make this money. It is 8:47 a.m. and I made a total of 114. I did start the day off at I woke up at 4:30, and I was on the road by 5. I woke up and I couldn't sleep. All right, let's keep it going. 114 for today, and it's only 8:48 now. So, all right, let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. 2:09 p.m. and I made a total of 235, 233, I don't know, 230 something for a Friday. Let's keep it going. Remember, I've been up since 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been on the road since 6 o'clock in the morning, or 5:30, something like that. Just keep making this one. Finished at about 8:30. It's like 8:40 something right now, with a total of 306 for today. It was okay. I could have done 4, but was a little busy doing something else. All right, let's keep it going. See how much we're gonna make tomorrow for a Saturday. It is 8:30 in the morning. It's Saturday. No, it's Sunday. Saturday, I only made $219. Let's see how much we make for Sunday. I'm not gonna work too much. It is 3:06 p.m. and I only made $129. I'm done. So discouraged. I've only made $15.79 for the whole entire week. It's still $15.79, but still a little bit on the $500 short of the $2,000 a week. So, all right, I'm done. 3 o'clock. All right, $15.79. Not too happy about it, but tomorrow's gonna be it's gonna be a new week. So, all right, let's keep making this money.